Okay, so for this Sunday ride, I'm just gonna head over to Harbor Freight. Look at the tan lines. From when I went to California, I was wearing gloves with a hole. Yeah, I'm just gonna go to Harbor Freight, pick up a sander, and yeah, it's gonna be a short ride. Next up is probably gonna be yeah, as I said, I'm just gonna go over to Harbor Freight, pick up a little, it's called a mouse sander, because when I first got my dog, I'd say when he was about 3 to 6 months, in that range, he really went to town destroying my house, like the little corner sections of the walls. So I'm just gonna go, I already puttied them up, put Bondo, now I just need to sand them down and paint them. And I saw Harbor Freight is having some bite inflation sale, so I just got done watching the new Predator movie. Don't get me wrong, it was really good, I liked it, but I just find it kind of funny that Arnold Schwarzenegger couldn't take out the Predator, but Pocahontas could. Like I said, it was a really good movie though. It's amazing how much better my bike handles, because this road is really messed up, and ever since I put this Olin shock, it's amazing how much difference it is. On a road like this, you could really tell. For the most part, I can't really tell, if I'm being completely honest. Like when I'm on the freeway and stuff, I can't really tell. On roads like this though, oh man, night and day. And I'm sure if I were to go on a long trip, little bumps like this, it would add up over time, so it would probably be comfortable in the long run, I assume. But yeah, I'll cut ahead to when I get on the freeway and give you guys a little freeway ride in action. these people can't drive, dude. They brake super abruptly. If they see lights, they just brake. So going back, the freeway seemed pretty clear. So maybe I'll have to get some footage going back. I'll see how that came out. Wasn't too bad. Oh, good thing you're wearing a mask.
They've done studies, 60% of the time it works every time.
Oh, that was nice. Just had somebody come up and compliment my bike. It's a new rider. I think it was a Honda Shadow that he had. And I told him, yeah, that was the best thing he could have done, getting a Honda Shadow, because he was telling me that he feels like he could handle more, and that's probably true now. But when you're first starting off riding, it's always best to start small, and you can always trade up. Like, I didn't immediately start riding this Lowrider S. Obviously they didn't make this bike until 2016, but when I saw it came out in 2016, I'm like, okay, that's the bike I'm getting. But even before it came out in 2016, I knew it, because they've always made lowriders, just like different platforms, like the FXR or the Shovelhead. I always knew I was going to get that bike. I've always loved this bike with the gauges on the tank, and now they got it up with the gauge on the top. To me, that's not really a lowrider. But yeah, I got that little sander that I was talking about. So I'll probably do, because I got this whole week off, so I'll probably do that in a few days. Okay, since the last freeway ride, there was a big traffic jam. You guys didn't really get to enjoy that. I'll include this one on this video. Well, enjoy. I'm gonna turn up my music. I'll cut when I get off the freeway. And that's going to be it for this week's ride. Thanks for joining me. Like, comment, subscribe.